Wow, it's a lovely day, sunny day, guys. And I'm craving for a seafood. Let's go to the fish market and I will let you know what is the best type of shrimp to select it and the way we are going to cook it today. Follow me. Hello, hungry man. I just came back from the fish market and I bought fresh shrimps. I'm going to share with you today very nice, quick, tasty recipe for the shrimps. Follow me. For this recipe we need 1 kilogram of shrimps, medium size, 200 grams of shiitake mushrooms, 200 grams white mushrooms. We need quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 35 grams of garlic, small onion, juice of 1 lemon, 100 grams of shredded Parmesan. For the leaves we need a good bunch of spinach. Shrimps are very easy to clean it in case you get it uncleaned. You get the shrimps, you remove the head, then you take down the legs, one bunch, that's it. And then you can peel the back side one by one. It's like buckled. If you like to leave the tail, I like to leave the tail because it looks nice when you fry the shrimps. Here we are. Then take the knife and cut the back of the shrimp till the end. Why? We need to clean the shrimps from inside. You see, this is things which should be removed. Usually I do it under the water, but now I want to show you a couple of shrimps which you will be having an idea. My shrimps, it's completely clean, and you can keep cutting the shrimps till the end. Don't detach the two parts because it looks it would look very nice once it is fried. We have cleaned all our shrimps and we open it, we cut it like butterfly as you see. Now I'm going to season it with the zest of lemon. Believe me, it smells so lemony. And I'm going to use 1 full lemon juice. This is the 1 lemon juice. We can add it, pour it on top of the shrimps, and then we'll pour quarter cup of apple cider, so we'll have the full acidity here. Beside that, we are going to shred the 2 cloves or 3 cloves of garlic as per your taste. For the marinade for the shrimps, I add 3 big cloves of garlic. I shred it well. And now we are going to put a bit of salt, a bit of dash of black pepper, and keep your shrimps in the fridge until we'll cook the side dish. You can add dash of salt, sea salt as per your taste, and dash of black pepper. Just remix it, keep it marinated for 10-15 minutes until the sauté mushrooms will be ready. I'm going to prepare the side dish for the shrimps. I'm going to fry my mushrooms. I put a little bit of olive oil. Let the pan get warm. And then we are going to fry the onion and then the mushrooms. But don't add the garlic because the garlic gets burned. So we have to fry the onion and then we add the mushrooms. The garlic will keep it for later. We have fried the onion for 1 minute, and now we are going to add the white mushrooms, sliced the way you like it. I'm going to add the shiitake mushroom. Keep it on low fire and cover it. Time to time stir it. So I kept it covered for 2-3 minutes, and now I'm going to stir it. You can see the mushrooms get steamed and a little bit soft. It reduced also in volume because the mushrooms, especially the white mushrooms, contains a lot of water. Now I'm going to add my garlic, which is going to give that fantastic flavor. Just cook it for 1, maximum 2 minutes. Don't let the garlic get burned. The flavor you can't imagine. I wish that you like it. You can put like and subscribe. If you need any additional information, you can send me your feedback. I'm more than happy to assist you. After you start to smell the garlic, that's an indication that the aroma already done, and that aroma gone inside your mushrooms. So it's a time to add your chopped spinach. So I'm going to add it, and the spinach may give a lot of water. Just now we can add a little bit of dash of salt and dash of black pepper and cover it for 2 minutes. As per taste, salt, you can adjust it later on, and black pepper. That's all what is required for now. After 2 minutes on cooking the spinach on medium fire, as you see, it is getting soft. Now it's time to add our cooking cream. I'm going to add around 200 ml of cooking cream. The creamier, the better. And here we have to reduce the fire. I have reduced it and gently stir it, and that's lovely color combination, which you can see it here. That's going to be the side dish. Keep it on a very low fire for 2 minutes to get it thick, and then you can cover it and you can start cooking the shrimps. The shrimps, as you know, doesn't take much time to be cooked. Hungry man, our mushroom is ready. You can see the sauce is getting thick, slowly bubbling on a low fire. Smells awesome. Combination of flavor you can't imagine. I wish that you can try it and enjoy very nice dinner. This sauce also you can use it if you are not on diet. You can use it with type of pasta. You can add it and it will be amazing fungi pasta. To fry your shrimps you need little bit of olive oil on a warm pan. Make sure that the pan is warm. You have very hot pan here, and we have some liquid from the shrimps. So just try to remove it first before throwing into the pan to avoid any accident. I'll try to put it slowly. Remember that the shrimps doesn't take much time. When it turns in orange color, it means your shrimps are ready cooked. Overcooked shrimps, it's very dry and it is not recommended. Try to put it on a high fire. It smells really good. The garlic, the lemon. So just keep on stirring the shrimps and checking. As you see, guys, the shrimps get cooked, it gets shrinked as well. So it's perfectly done and it's time to serve it. Bon appetit! To have better flavor for your sauté mushrooms as well for your shrimps, you can add a little bit of shredded Parmesan. That will give a very good flavor for your meal. Bon appetit! If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and put like. See you next time in better recipes for filling your hungry belly. Hungry man. Bye bye.